Chapter 11. Handlooms and Handicrafts of India. Woodworks, Saharanpur. Saharanpur in Uttar Pradesh is renowned for its intricate woodwork, showcasing exquisite craftsmanship. The artisans carve beautiful furniture, home decor, and ornamental pieces using shisham and other fine woods. The detailed patterns and floral motifs reflect the region's rich artistic heritage. Muga silk, Assam. Muga silk, exclusive to Assam, is a luxurious and durable silk known for its golden yellow sheen. It is produced by the Antheria assamensis silkworm and is often used to make traditional Assamese attire like mekhla chador. This unique silk is highly valued for its natural luster and strength. Metalware craft, Moradabad. Moradabad, known as the Brass City of India, is famous for its high-quality metalware and handicrafts. Artisans create decorative brass, copper, and aluminum items, including lamps, figurines, and utensils. The city's metalwork is widely exported and admired for its intricate designs. Carpet, Mirzapur, Bhadohi. Mirzapur and Bhadohi in Uttar Pradesh are leading centers for hand-woven carpets in India. These carpets are known for their fine craftsmanship, vibrant colors, and Persian-inspired designs. The region is a major exporter of high-quality wool and silk carpets worldwide. Stone carving, Mahabalipuram, Agra, Jaipur. Mahabalipuram, Agra, and Jaipur are renowned for their exquisite stone carvings and sculptures. These cities produce intricately carved temples, monuments, and decorative artifacts. The craftsmanship, especially in marble and sandstone, reflects India's rich artistic traditions. Applique work, Ahmedabad, Puri, Kutch. Applique work from Ahmedabad, Puri, and Kutch is a traditional textile art where fabric pieces are stitched onto a base cloth. This vibrant craft is used to make decorative wall hangings, canopies, and garments. The intricate designs often depict cultural motifs and folklore. Bamboo and cane work, Assam, West Bengal, Kerala, Manipur. Bamboo and cane craft is an integral part of Assam, West Bengal, Kerala, and Manipur's culture. Artisans create furniture, baskets, mats, and decorative items using eco-friendly techniques. These handcrafted products are durable, lightweight, and widely appreciated for their aesthetic appeal. Zari and Jardoji, Agra, Bareilly, Surat. Agra, Bareilly, and Surat are famous for their intricate Zari and Jardoji embroidery. These techniques involve weaving gold and silver threads into fabric to create luxurious patterns. Traditionally used in bridal wear and royal attire, this embroidery remains a symbol of opulence. Tie and dye, Jaipur, Bhuj, Puri. Jaipur, Bhuj, and Puri are well known for their traditional tie and dye textile techniques. The process involves tying sections of fabric and dyeing them to create intricate patterns. This vibrant art form is widely used in Bandhani and Lehriya saris and dupattas. Paithani saris, Maharashtra. Paithani saris from Maharashtra are famous for their rich silk fabric and intricate hand-woven motifs. These saris feature vibrant colors and traditional peacock, floral, and geometric designs. Worn during special occasion, they are considered a symbol of elegance and heritage. Batik art, Alwar. Alwar in Rajasthan is known for its beautiful batik art, which involves wax-resist dyeing on fabric. The designs are created by applying wax and then dyeing the cloth in different colors. This traditional craft results in striking patterns and is used in clothing, wall hangings, and home decor. Kagji pottery, Madhya Pradesh and West Bengal. Kagji pottery, famous in Madhya Pradesh and West Bengal, is a delicate and lightweight form of pottery. The artisans create fine, paper-thin clay items, often decorated with intricate carvings. This craft is admired for its unique texture and traditional artistic appeal.